BioEconomySolutions, and Paulownia. So here is another pile of material that we thought was not viable because we cleared out space for some pyrolysis work. And throwed all that in one pile, and here's what happened. It turned into Paulownia trees. So again, Paulownia wants to grow, Paulownia wants to prosper. What we thought was waste turned into be whole new trees. So Paulownia wood, BioEconomySolutions, reforestation, desertification. All you got to do is give it a chance to grow, and it will indeed grow. Give us a call. Visit us at bioeconomysolutions.com if you want to grow Paulownia on your farm for your desertification needs, reforestation, afforestation. Here is living proof that BioEconomy Solutions can show you how to grow